What's up, everybody? As you can clearly see, a nice little thunderstorm, rain till probably about 9 o'clock tonight. So it's definitely a nice little break from the humidity, but I know that once this rain passes, that humidity is gonna kick way up, and it's gonna be crazy hot. You know, little thunder crackling. It's been a minute since I've done an actual regular little video. Normally I do the shorts, and I apologize for that. Just been doing a lot of work and sleep and spending time with my boy. Well, young man, he's 17. He'll be 18 next year. Just been working hard, and yeah, that's pretty much all I've been doing, working and sweating and saving up to get me a bigger ambulance or school bus or something that's a little bigger with more space. That's the game plan. Fire ambulance or fire truck. The background, I don't know if y'all can hear it over the rain, but I don't know. It's just been work, and hot heat and all that stuff. So it's about the extent of it. So not much really to say, except I love spending time with my boy and get to see him every weekend and go have lunch and do stuff. And I definitely want to get out and start doing other stuff, you know, go snorkeling and stuff like that. So, but until next time, love life, live life, enjoy life. To my son, I love you, you're the greatest. Stay squatchily weird, everybody, and enjoy life.